On Saturday night, a white Jeep led police on a chase along Interstate 40 in Arkansas. What started as a routine traffic stop ended with an arrest and multiple charges against the driver.
Passing vehicles. We're getting back on MLK. He's going southbound.
Southbound on MLK.
29 DBI in here. 29 TBI in camp. Get out of the car! TBI. Get out of the car! Driver, get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Come to me. Turn around. Back away from me. Back up. Back up.
I'll come to you. Here, go to him.
Back away from me. Back up. Back up. Go down to your knees. Put your hands up. I said your knees.
Get up here with me. Climb over and come on.
We got one in the back.
Yeah.
All right. Turn around. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back. Go down to your knees.
We're clear. Hey, let's move this car over here and let's get this open back up.
Okay.
Can you drive it? D5, Fort City. I'm also going to need a OCA for vehicle pursuit.
Fortunately, the driver was taken into custody without further incidents. The two female passengers were released after a brief check, while the Jeep was towed away. What started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a high-speed chase on Interstate 530. A driver with a suspended license refused to comply with police and attempted to escape.
Please, reason. Sorry, Dylan Bush here. Go ahead and just give me the keys. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. So, your driver's license is suspended, correct? Okay. So, I'm going to tow your vehicle, so get out of the vehicle. I'm about to... You roll this window down, or I'm about to break this window. Unlock this door. Unlock this door. Get out of the vehicle right now. I'm about to pull you out of this vehicle. I'm about to break your window. Open the door and get out of the vehicle. TBI, TBI. Get out of the vehicle! Man, get out of the vehicle! Put your arm! Get out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle with your arms up! Face away from me! Lay down, put your hands up! Lay down! Arms out like an airplane!
Well, he was at the 34 on his traffic stop, 31 northbound. I'm leaving headquarters.
Pull me over. And then you wreck my vehicle, This is very illegal. You know that, right? You have no proper cause to pull me over, sir.
One second.
You literally wrecked my car. Are you serious? You have no proper cause to pull me over. You literally wrecked my car.
Personal problem.
Spread your legs.
I have nothing on you, bro.
Do you have anything in your bra?
No, I don't have nothing on. I just left work. What the hell? You literally just wrecked my car. I didn't get my stuff out of there. What the hell?
The chase ended abruptly when police used a tactical maneuver to force the vehicle off the road. Now the driver faces multiple charges and will have to answer for her actions in court. A high-speed chase unfolded on US Highway 79 as a driver was clocked at 93 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. The suspect ignored police signals and attempted to escape, setting the stage for a dramatic intervention.
Looks like 2 or David Highway 79. I can do final location in a second. Taking County Road 4.
Adverse speed, 170
TBI.
TBI.
Vehicle is ready.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Put your hands where I can see them! Put your hands up! Keep your hands in the air!
My hands is up.
Put your both hands up! Turn around, face away from me! Turn around and face away from me! Keep your hands up! Back up to my voice! Back up to my voice!
Okay.
Stop! Do not look at me! Go to your knees. You put your hands down again. Keep them up.
What did I do?
Look away from me. Go to your knees.
What did I do?
What do you do? 93 and a 55
wait.
and not stopping.
Huh? Wait a minute.
Why didn't you stop and why were you doing 93 and a 55?
My car was messing up. I need to blow it out, and that's all I was doing.
Give me the other hand.
Officer, 12, 1050.
Officer, I
No,
was
you've been
driving.
drinking. How much you been drinking?
I was sitting there watching the game. And that's all.
Roll over. Put your knees up.
That's all I was doing, officer. That's all I was doing.
Pick up this score.
Okay, go ahead.
Stay right there.
I ain't going nowhere, officer. I'm not going
D12
nowhere.
Full City. D12 Full City.
I'm going home.
D12. What's it? D12, Ford City.
Three. I do it. That's
2912, I got you.
You see that two green lights back there? That's where I live.
49 on 1015 if you'll just make note of that at this time. Subject to be 1025. That's 534.
Give them please.
Loading the brakes. You're driving like that going to kill somebody. Do you understand me? Do you understand that? You're doing 93 in a 55-mile-an-hour zone, and then when I get behind you, you're passing traffic, and you will not stop.
My car was coughing.
Well, it's acting a fool right now in the ditch.
What's your copy? D12 traffic?
Negative.
Do I get my keys?
Well, no, it's going to be towed. Now lean forward.
1015, you cool, yeah.
10-4.
Why gonna be told?
Because I had a TBI, you put you in the ditch because you wouldn't stop. If you'd been smart and pulled over, it'd been a lot different.
Oh. Will you have?
Not at 193 to 55 and what I just had to do to your car. Do you understand that? How much have you had to drink?
I was sitting at home watching the game.
I wouldn't ask you.
I went and get me some cigarettes and I came back home. And that's all I was trying to do. Lady done left me.
Well, a lot of people going through things.
But I was staying home. Car acting a fool. She acting a fool. I just... Please give me a break.
D12, we'll see.
Mama just said, please. I got a lot on me. Got a lot going on me. Got to.
Stand right there and go back his car up a little bit.
Yes, sir.
The chase ended when police used a tactical maneuver to safely stop the fleeing vehicle. Now the driver faces serious charges, including DWI and felony fleeing, and must answer for his actions in court. A high-speed chase on Interstate 40 took a dramatic turn when police forced the fleeing vehicle to stop on Interstate 30. But the suspect refused to surrender, leading to an intense confrontation.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! I didn't do nothing wrong. I was hitting my mama's cars. Stop when you see lights. Stop. Keep your hand out. You're gonna get shot. Hands up. Why would you hit my mama's cars? Keep your hands out. Can I see my mama's cars? Keep your hands up. I don't got no. Can you get off me, dude? It was just a kid, dude. Damn. You just hit my
I'm on the car, bro. Get off me, dude. Damn. Tell this dude to get the fuck off me. Just snatch me out the car, bro. Hey. Keep that shit on TV all the time, bro. Why you grab me so aggressive? I ain't do shit. Damn. I don't know how to stop. I bro. Oh, fucking God. Oh, damn, bro. You ain't gonna say sorry. You gonna snatch me out the car. Sorry, damn, dude.
In the end, the suspect was pulled from the car and taken into custody. However, the arrest came at a cost. One trooper suffered a fractured finger and had to be hospitalized.